Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you two different main ways to go ahead and transfer any photos or videos that you may have on your iPhone over to any other PC, whether it's a Windows or Mac or whatever the case is. You don't have to use any wires or anything like that. Now, the very first way I'll go ahead and tell you is my personal favorite way. You don't have to upload any files anywhere or anything like that. All of it is straight from your web browser, which is so awesome, and it's called snapdrop.net. So what you want to do is you want to make your way over to really any web browser, Chrome, Safari, if you have an Android, I guess, but there's an iPhone tutorial. And all you need to do is go to that specific website. This is the name of it right here, snapdrop.net. All you want to do is go ahead and click here, and you will see that I have my other PC right here on, my snapdrop.net website. All you have to do here is make sure that both of your devices are on this specific website. Now, once you have that all set up, all you have to do at this point is click on your little, computer thing right here from your phone. You want to click Browse or Photo Library. In this case, I'll just choose Photo Library. And here you can go ahead and pick any videos, photos, whatever the case that you have that you want to go ahead and send over. So in this case, let's say I wanted to send this photo over. I would go ahead and click here. I would click Add, and I would go ahead and on my PC right now, I get a little pop-up window that basically tells me, do you want to download this specific file? I would go ahead and click download, and it literally just downloads it, on my PC. Now, if you want to do it for multiple photos again, you have to click here, click Photo Library, and you can select as many photos and videos as you want to. As you can see now, for here, it just shows me photos, but if I click on videos, I can also see videos, I believe, here. I think some of them videos or whatever. And that is essentially how you go ahead and do it. Now, that's my favorite way. Now, let's say you don't want to do this and you want something that's kind of like a more permanent method. The next thing I would recommend doing, the easiest thing, in my opinion, that I've also done for a lot of times, is to essentially upload your specific photos and videos into any other cloud storage, whether it's iCloud or whatever the case is. In this specific case, we will use Google Drive. So all you have to do is go ahead and make your way over to your app store, and you want to search up Google Drive. Now, this is basically, as most of you know, a free storage option that you have. You have 15 gigabytes you can use for free. So as long as your file sizes are less than 15 gigs, you can go ahead and do this. So once you have this, app already downloaded and everything like that, it's just going to go ahead and tell you to log in. So you want to log into the same exact, email account that you have on this device that you have on your other one. So as you can see, I'll have a ton of other photos and videos right here. So all you have to do is go ahead and click plus. You want to go ahead and click upload, and you want to go ahead and click photos and videos right here, and you want to allow access to photos and whatever. And here you can go ahead and search whichever photos and videos you want to upload. So in this case, I'll go ahead and just click recents. And let's say I wanted to bring in these photos right here. I don't know why it's glitching up so much. Well, I would go ahead and click in whichever photos and videos I would. And then I would go ahead and click upload right here. And it's going to go ahead and upload those photos and videos up for me. And all I have to do now is just log in from my Windows PC, from my Mac, from wherever, and essentially just go ahead and download those images on my computer. You just have to log into googledrive.com, sign into the same account, and right click on those images and videos, and you can download them from there too. So those are two main ways to do it. Those are the ways I do without having to, use any wires or anything like that. You don't have to install any drivers or anything with these methods, which is perfect. So that's essentially pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.